In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable PayPal Pay Later in WooCommerce PayPal payments. This is really useful if you don't want the Pay Later option to appear at checkout, or if you want to keep your payment methods simple for your customers. I'll walk you through the process inside your WordPress dashboard, step by step, so you can follow along on your own site. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the backend area of your website where you manage your store, your settings, and your plugins. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the section labeled WooCommerce. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it so that a list of options appears just to the right. From that list, click on Settings. This will open the main WooCommerce settings page, where you can control things like your store's general information, products, shipping, and most importantly for this video, payments. Along the top of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Payments. This is where WooCommerce lists all the payment methods that are available in your store. On the Payments page, look through the list until you find PayPal. This will usually be labeled as WooCommerce PayPal Payments or something very similar. On the right-hand side of that PayPal row, you'll see a button that says Manage. Go ahead and click that to open the detailed settings specific to PayPal. Inside the PayPal settings, scroll down until you see a section called Features. This is where PayPal groups extra options that can be enabled or disabled for your store. Within this Features section, look for a button labeled Configure next to Alternative Payment Methods. Click that button to open the configuration options for those methods. You'll now see Pay Later listed there. This is the feature that shows installment or pay over time options to your customers. To disable it, make sure the toggle for Pay Later is switched off. If it looks active or highlighted, click it once to turn it off. Take a moment to double check that it's clearly disabled. Once you're sure Pay Later is turned off, look towards the top right of the page and click the Save button. This step is important because if you navigate away without saving, your changes won't be applied and Pay Later will still appear at checkout. After saving, your customers should no longer see the PayPal Pay Later option when they check out in your WooCommerce store.